Welcome back to the channel. Here we talk about software engineering, tech, and student lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe. Today we're going to talk about how I got the 3080 Ti graphics card and also how I set it up. So let's hop into it. So I bought all the parts for the PC right back over here like 6 to 7 months ago, minus the GPU. And I built the whole thing too with my cousin, and the only part we were missing was obviously the graphics card. So almost every single day after, I kept checking online on Discord, Reddit, and Twitter, where people would post these links to whenever these cards would come back in stock. And every single time I would hit these links that would direct me to like Best Buy, Amazon, or Newegg, these cards would always be out of stock and I was getting beaten by the bots. Nothing I tried worked. Even after I had all these notifications set from Discord, Reddit, and Twitter, it got so bad that I was highly considering buying one off of eBay from a scalper. So like around 2 weeks ago, my uncle told me that a Best Buy here in Houston was gonna get a GPU drop. So I was like, yo, this is like my only chance to go get one. I knew I had to camp out, but I didn't expect to camp out as early as I did. My original plan was to get over there like around 1, 2 a.m. in the morning and stay there until 7:30 a.m. That's when they start handing out tickets. But the lines were getting very, very long according to the people on Discord. I'll post some photos here. And that completely changed my plan because I knew like there was no way I was gonna get one if I go there at the time I was planning on going. So I ended up going there around 9 p.m. Time surprisingly went by really, really fast over there. I met a lot of cool people and also learned a lot about mining because almost everybody over there were crypto miners. And I ended up coming home with a 3080 Ti. So my original plan was to go for a 3070 Ti or a 3080, but when it was my turn, all they had left was a 3090 and a 3080 Ti. And I didn't really need a 3090, so the 3080 Ti was all I could do. So yeah, that's how I was able to get a graphics card. I'll end the video here with some clips of what the PC looks like now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and follow me on all my socials. They'll all be linked in the description box down below. And have a great day. Yo, I waited 15 hours outside of a Best Buy just for my brother to get one online, and my cousin too.